Does screen time ever feel like a battle in your home? You're not alone. Many moms and dads struggle to set healthy boundaries. Post-COVID, screen usage has skyrocketed, and children now spend on average over 7 hours per day on screens. Technology is a tool, but without boundaries, it can steal valuable time and connection. It can also expose our children to many risks. As parents, we really need to be mindful of red flags indicating an unhealthy need of our children for screens. In order to strike a healthier balance, let me point out 5 steps we can take. Firstly, have honest discussions about the benefits and risk of screen use with our children. 2. Set clear boundaries. For example, set family screen-free zones like meal times. 3. Designate specific areas for devices, away from bedrooms and dining tables. 4. Discuss and agree with children on a balanced lifestyle and healthy habits such as exercising, having family time together, getting enough sleep, etc. Lastly, as a parent, set an example to your children. Let me provide you with a faith anchor. Ephesians 5 verse 15 to 16 says, "Be very careful then how you live, not as unwise, but as wise, making the best or the most of every opportunity." A call for action. Screens are part of our children's world, but balance is the key to their growth. Let's commit as parents to shaping a lifestyle where technology supports our children's future rather than stealing it. For more practical tools and encouragement, connect with me through my mentoring services at Healing at Touch. I wish you a successful and prosperous journey.